afternoon, Kimmiya. Great talking to you on the phone. Again, my name's David here at Tameron Honda with the internet team. Just want to thank you again for your online interest. The 2018 Honda Accord in the touring trim. You picked an absolute beautiful, capable vehicle. You see the way they completely redesigned the front end. Really aggressive styling. Comes with all LED lights, including your fog lights. Honda sensing, which are the driver assist features. I'd love to show you in person. 19-inch alloy wheels. Breakaway mirrors on the side. Power moonroof. Leather. Hands-free Bluetooth connectivity. Backup camera. So many things I'd like to show you in person to be able to demonstrate the capabilities of this vehicle. Give me a call or text, 205-910-3747. Look forward to meeting you when you come in on May 5th, and I'll talk to you soon.